All right, I have the Cheapbikebuildoff bike in the work stand. Now this is a 91 Raleigh Talon. It's a chrome alley frame. Fork I'm gonna guess is high 10. It says it's US made. I'm gonna guess that's Taiwan tubing. Maybe it's Tangy or something else. It looks good though. It's nice, TIG welded. So it's got a YST headset, which, oh, it's already loose for me. That's good. It's all 200 GS. We're gonna keep these cranks. The overall plan is to pretty much keep all of the stock components, except for the grip shift. We'll have to get rid of that. It's mostly gonna be an overhaul. So yeah, hubs, bottom bracket, headset will all get cleaned and greased. Cables will all get replaced. I'll probably keep these straddle cables. I don't know, maybe I have some new ones around, we'll see. They're galvanized and they look good. I'll probably leave them. So I have a basic idea of what this is gonna look like when it's done. But it'll be a classic ATB style looking mountain bike. Tires will get changed. These crusty brake pads will definitely get changed. And a few other things. But this is the start. Stay tuned, I'll get it stripped down and we'll see what we have.